Can you see who viewed your Facebook story if not friends? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see who viewed your Facebook story if they're not really friends with you, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So first of all, just go ahead and then make sure to open the Facebook application here. Once you launch a Facebook app, let's say that whenever you upload a story, you'll be able to see a list of people who has viewed your story, but there are also a number of people that has viewed your story but they're not in your friends list, and that is called other viewers. So you might have noticed 1 other viewers, 2 other viewers, 6 other viewers like that on your Facebook story. That is because your Facebook story is public, which means people who are not friends with you also will be able to view your story. Now however, as to answer your question whether or not you can view the friends who are actually viewing your story if they're not friends, Facebook is not going to give you a list of those people, but what you can choose to do is you can simply choose to hide your story from public, so that only if you're friends with a certain person they will be able to see your story. If they're not friends with you, they will not be able to see your story. And to do this, you can tap the 3 lines option here and then go to settings, and after you do that you can simply go to privacy checkup, and when you go to privacy checkup you can just go to who can see what you share, and as you do that you should be able to see the continue option. Tap on the next option. Here you can see stories. If you set it to public, everyone else will be able to view it, but if they are not in your friends list, Facebook will not give you those names, so there's no use at all. So what you want to do is simply set it to friends, and only your friends will be able to view it. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.